Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare calcium silicate board versus gypsum board. We'll explore their core differences to help you decide which material best suits your construction needs. Calcium silicate board is a robust composite, while gypsum board is a classic drywall solution. Each offers unique advantages for various building applications. Let's dive into their properties, starting with how they handle fire and moisture, two critical factors in any building project. We'll cover everything from composition to cost, ensuring you have a clear understanding. When it comes to safety, calcium silicate board truly shines with its 1 non-combustible fire rating. It can endure extreme heat, up to 1,200 degrees Celsius, for several hours without burning or releasing toxic fumes. Gypsum board, while fire retardant, typically offers less inherent resistance, though specialized Type X versions can provide up to 4 hours of protection in specific assemblies. For moisture, calcium silicate board is highly resistant and recovers fully if it gets wet, whereas standard gypsum board can suffer permanent damage from prolonged dampness. In terms of strength, calcium silicate board is exceptionally durable and impact-resistant, often used in demanding commercial or industrial settings. A 6 mm thick calcium silicate board can even outperform a 9.5 mm gypsum board in strength. Gypsum board is suitable for most interior applications, but it is more susceptible to dents. Calcium silicate board excels in fireproofing, moisture-prone areas, and high-traffic zones, while gypsum board remains the go-to for general residential walls and ceilings due to its versatility. Considering cost, gypsum board is usually more budget-friendly, often costing 25 to 45 RMB per sheet, compared to calcium silicate board's 45 to 70 RMB. Installation is also simpler for gypsum board, easily cut and shaped, making it a favorite for do-it-yourself projects. Calcium silicate board, being harder, requires specialized tools and more professional handling. Ultimately, choose calcium silicate for critical fire protection, moisture resistance, and long-term durability. But opt for gypsum board when ease of installation and initial cost savings are your top priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.